Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2026 GMC Savana van, a vehicle that's built for reliability, durability, and practicality. Whether you're a business owner looking for a workhorse or someone who needs a spacious van, for cargo or passenger transport, the Savana has a lot to offer. The 2026 model keeps the classic boxy design but comes with some modern refinements. GMC has updated the front grille and lighting for a sharper look while maintaining its rugged stance. It's still the no-nonsense, hard-working van that many businesses rely on. The new aerodynamic enhancements slightly improve fuel efficiency, while reinforced body panels add to its durability. Under the hood, the Savana offers multiple engine choices, including a powerful V8 and an efficient turbocharged V6. With improved fuel economy and towing capacity, this van is ready to take on heavy-duty tasks without breaking a sweat. The transmission has been fine-tuned for smoother shifts, and an optional all-wheel drive system enhances stability in challenging driving conditions. Additionally, GMC has introduced a hybrid powertrain option, providing an eco-friendly alternative without compromising power. Inside, GMC has focused on functionality. The cabin remains straightforward, with durable materials built to withstand daily wear and tear. However, tech upgrades include a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity easier than ever. Additional USB ports, wireless charging, and an upgraded sound system are available for those who need extra convenience on the road. A new digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle data, making it easier for drivers to monitor performance and efficiency. Safety features have also been improved, with lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control now available. These enhancements make the Savana a safer choice for long hauls and fleet operations. In addition, automatic emergency braking and a 360-degree camera system provide better visibility and protection in tight spaces. GMC has also introduced an AI-powered driver assistance system that can analyze driving habits and provide real-time suggestions to enhance safety. Cargo and passenger capacity are key strengths of the Savana. With multiple configurations available, you can choose from extended wheelbase options, high roof variants, and seating arrangements that cater to business and personal needs. The reinforced frame ensures better payload management, and new storage solutions make organizing gear and tools more efficient than ever. The new sliding cargo door and optional hands-free rear door opening system make loading and unloading easier, especially in busy work environments. Another standout feature of the 2026 Savana is its connectivity. GMC has integrated fleet management, software that allows businesses to track vehicle performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance schedules remotely. For personal users, the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and streaming capabilities turn long trips into more enjoyable experiences for passengers. So, who is this van for? If you need a reliable commercial van with strong towing capabilities, plenty of cargo space, and modern tech upgrades, the 2026 GMC Savana is a solid option. It stays true to its roots while adapting to the needs of today's drivers. With its improved efficiency, safety, and technology, it's clear that GMC has designed this van to meet the evolving demands of both businesses and personal users. What are your thoughts on the 2026 GMC Savana? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more in-depth automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.